Welcome to the Sauce and Gravy channel. Johnny Mac here, the gravy guy. It's Saturday, so I'm going to quickly walk you through how to make a homemade hot honey. It's sweet and spicy and very easy to make, so let me quickly walk you through it. Begin by rounding up all of your chilies. I'm using 3 Guajillo chilies and 1 habanero. Chop them up and add them to the sauce pot. If you'd like a milder honey, you can remove the seeds before you chop the chilies up. And because this is a homemade hot honey, you can use any type of chilies that you like. Jalapenos, Scotch bonnets, chipotles, any type of chili will do. I like the combination of smokiness from the Guajillo and the spiciness of the habaneros. Next up to bat, 1/4 teaspoon of herbe de Provence. This will infuse a flowery lavender type taste to the honey. Thyme and rosemary would also work really well. Round up 16 ounces or 454 grams, that's pretty much 2 cups of honey, and drop it into the pot. Give it all a quick mix and warm over medium heat. The hot honey could also be infused with lemon, lime, or orange for a citrus type touch. You could also add other flavorings like cinnamon sticks, cloves, star anise, or even garlic. Once the honey starts to simmer, reduce the heat to low and cook for 8 to 10 minutes. While this is reducing down, I wanted to let you know that my second cookbook, Comfort Foods Made Simply, is now available. Filled with hearty scratch-made classics you'll be proud to serve. Creamy sauces, slow simmered flavor. No cans, no shortcuts, just real cooking. See the link in the video's comment and description section to order now. Real comfort starts now. After the allotted cooking time, remove the hot honey from heat and let it slightly cool. Snag a glass jar, preferably one that can be sealed, and a fine sieve. Filter the honey into the jar. And make sure to try to do this whenever the honey is a little warm, because whenever it cools off, it's a whole lot thicker and it's harder to filter into the jar. Not too difficult, right? After roughly about 15 minutes, you made a delicious homemade hot honey the way that you like it. Thank you so much for watching the Sauce and Gravy channel. I hope that you found this recipe helpful. Hey, and if you did, share it with your friends. They might find it useful too. Thanks again for watching, and remember, until next Saturday, it's just you, me, and the sauces. Keep whisking, y'all.